Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, if you would like to learn English from this channel, you will need to watch from the video number 1. Okay, let's come to the point. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about yes-no question. Dear students, if you find any question starting with an auxiliary verb, you can answer to that question by only yes or no. Okay, for example, yes no question, yes no question, yes no question. If you find any question starting with auxiliary verbs, auxiliary verb, you can answer to the question by only yes or no. For example, will you go home tomorrow? Dear students, if you find any question starting with an auxiliary verb, you can answer to that question only by yes or no. For example, will you go home tomorrow? You can answer yes. Will you go home tomorrow? You can answer no. Okay, that is the fact. Okay, you can answer yes or no. Dear students, but if you are instructed to make a question, you should convert first person to second person. For example, but if you are instructed to make a question, you should convert first person to second person. For example, statement I have done the work. I have done the work. question. Have you done the work? Dear student, I have already written another information, but if you are instructed to make a question, you should convert first person to second person. For example, the statement I have done the work, if you are instructed to make this sentence into question sentence, you should convert the first person I to second person you. For this reason, the sentence would be, have you done the work? I have used you in place of I. I have used you in place of I. Okay. But in case of second person and third person, there will be no change. For example, in case of second and third persons, there will be no change. For example, there will be no change. This is one point, this is another point. Statement you should complete it. Should you complete it? He is, or if I write another word, you will complete it. You will complete it. You will complete it. Will you complete it? He is present. Is he present? Arrow, I am using arrow. Dear students, I have already written another two examples. In case of second and third persons, there will be no change. Statement, you will complete it. There is second person here, you. In order to make a question, there will be no change for the subject, you. Will you complete it? Only auxiliary verb will be in front. Okay. He is present. There is third person here, he. For this reason, he will not be changed. Is he present? He is present. Is he present? Dear students, that's all yes no question. If you would like to know about yes no question in detail, watch the next videos one by one. Thank you very much for watching the video. Allah Hafiz. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Thank you.